What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today we are working on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. We're going to be doing a new radio, so I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on at least just how to tear out the dash and then your center console if you want. So the first thing is you're going to pull this out. As you can see, I already have everything kind of taken apart, so unplug the two switches right there and right there. And I just kind of set that to the side, so that just pulls up. And then the next piece you're going to go to is this one. Again, this also just pretty much pulls up, and then you have that piece out. So then this is what it looks like to start. So you're going to start by getting this out, the little airbag thing, and then the temperature and all that, and your gauges. So there's going to be there's going to be a screw that you can use a Phillips on. Take that out. So I did that, and then it kind of just pulls out, and you want to be super careful with this because this has the airbag harness on it. So we're not going to mess with that really, because I just don't want to, jack that up. So then your next step is going to be to go to your driver's side, and you're going to take out two 10mm bolts, one on the right that goes right there, and one on the left that's over there. And then it just kind of pulls out, and again, be careful. You have all these wires and stuff attached to that, so you're going to just kind of pull that out, and then you'll have complete access to what you need. So as you can see, you're going to go back there. It's going to be another 10mm bolt. Again, here it is. There's going to be one right there. You're going to take that out, and then that should free up everything you have. And it should just kind of pull out. So yeah, there you go. And then from there you're gonna have two 10mm bolts right here, and then you're gonna have two in the back, one right there, as you can see right there, and then one on this side. So I'm gonna try to just work my way around to see if I can get this out without having to tear it completely apart. So again, you're gonna have two 10mm bolts that go into your radio. Well, four technically. I haven't gotten the other two out. You're gonna have this 10mm bolt that's holding back over there. Then you're gonna have two more 10mm bolts that will hold this side and this side. And then you're gonna have your one with the Phillips that is holding in this piece that goes right there. And it holds it right into there. So again, to start with, you're going to take off that piece, then remove this. Then you're going to work your way over to the lower driver dash, take out the two bolts, take out the bolt from behind there, and then everything should pop out. So when you're putting in your new radio, I would suggest using the original mounting brackets, so that way you can rebolt it, making it look factory style. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, this is just how to take apart the dash and the center console. This isn't actually installing the radio. I might make a video on that, so stay tuned. And again, don't unplug this because of the airbag, and it could be on permanently if you unplug it. So the way to get it off is you have to take it to the dealership, so I would just recommend not touching that. So yeah, we're gonna work our way around this and try to unplug the least amount of stuff as possible. All right, thank you for watching 303 Streets. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.